继续来看美国的前总统川普所牵涉的防脆费的案件，宣判出炉了。川普防指控的34项的重罪全部成立，这嘛是美国这250年来头一个因为刑事的指控防定罪前总统。法律的专家认为，这项的定罪可能会对川普选总统产生着影响，但是未取消伊选总统的资格，而且川普嘛一定会过来上诉。
秘书互人目着同款，不时目睭磕磕，表情看起来真痛苦。这是因为美国前总统川普和陪审团裁定34项罪名拢成立，伊变成美国200多年来历史头一个被判犯重罪总统。
This was a disgrace. This was a rigged trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt.
这个审判审的是川普被指控在2016年美国总统大选投票前，透过私人律师付13万美金和新闻片的女明星曝光女丹尼斯来确保对方绝对袂讲到进前发生的性关系。2023年3月，川普因为安尼，和纽约大陪审团起诉，被控告34项伪造商业记录罪名。
The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. And they know what happened here, and everybody knows what happened here. It was done by the Biden administration in order to wound or hurt an opponent, a political opponent. And I think it's just a disgrace. And we'll keep fighting.
川普批评讲，这场审判是总统拜登的政治迫害，主要是要阻止伊重回白宫。法律专家认为讲，定罪虽然会对川普的竞选活动产生影响，也毋过未取消伊竞选总统的资格，而且川普一定会提出上诉。
But there's no doubt it's a huge historical moment. This has never happened. A president hasn't even been indicted before, let alone convicted on all 34 counts. The sweep of this is pretty amazing and pretty impressive.
进前民意调查显示，讲53%的摇摆州的选民表态未将票投被定罪川普。今年11月，英国是美国政治史上上重要的时刻之一。美国选民将决定敢要予一个被定罪重罪犯人入去白宫。
Hello， 我是易景，想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻的 YouTube 频道。